Hello guys, welcome back to Pentester Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called a double one. So what's the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So it's similar like a command injection. So let's get started. So just open the terminal. So you just type here sudo su, enter your password, then you just type here discover minus I is 0. So first you would like to identify your target machine. So I have identified my target mission. So I just quit now. I just type here as nmap minus 34 minus a is an aggressive scan. Enter your targeted IP address. So let's wait for the nmap result. So we have got the nmap result. One is available with the SSH, another one is available with the SMTP, another one is available with Apache server, another one is available with the 8080. So let's walk to the directly to our targeted IP address. So you just type enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.177. So where you can see here a super secure command set. So you just click on this test. So we don't know the right username and password. So you just try as a default as admin and admin. So it was a fail. So we are unable to access this one. So now let's walk to the production. Now we just need to write here in the production as something, anything else to get an command injection here. So to get a production, now we would like to look here as a view page source. In the view page source, there is like a send command.php out to out. So where we have identified a something else over there. Now let's come back here. We would like to look at one more thing here is code type password. Okay, just put as anything else. What else you require? So you just type here as anything else. So what else you required in the you just type here as PHP. You just type here as echo. You just put here as anything what else you like. So I just put here as anything. Now just close this. Now just type you even if you not type here as a code that does not give you any right thing. So where you have got here as output like this. So we have printed here as anything. That's it. Now let's come back here. So I would like to open new tab. Now I would like to know what is my app config. So this is my targeted IP address. So I have made already. So if you try with this a PHP payload, this may not be worked out. So you just need to utilize this a PHP payload. So you just copy this one. I just type here as initcat minus lvnp 9001. Oh, sorry, lvnp 9001. Now let me just walk to here back. Now in this place as anything we just need to delete this entirely, just paste it here. That's it. You just try to send where you can see here you have connected successfully. Now just type id, you got it here. Now just type here as a which python, you got it here. So just type here as python minus c. You just type here as import a pty is bad bin bash. So where we have got directly in the production. Now once you would like to compare the production also. Now even you can look out here in the production once you would like to send out this. And I just try to send this. So now even you can look here a local file inclusion will be done here as etc password. So where we have one is username with fox, another one is ppp. Now let's come back here. Now just type id, we got it here. Now just type here as pwd. Now just type here as plus minus a. We just type here as a export a term equal to extra. That's great. Now just type here. Now just type plus minus a. Now just type cd home directory. Now just type plus minus a. Now just type a cd a fox. Now just type plus minus a. Where we have got here, we just type here as cat a local.txt. That's great. A permission is denied. Okay, that's a great. Now we would like to look here uh, in this we have mistaken something. Now I would like to put here a where we have identified here as a out. So I just need to put a PHP filter. I just need to put here as PHP a filter. We just type here as a convert dot a base 64 encode. Then just type here as resource equal to a send a command dot php. That's it. So where I have got it entirely this one, so you just entirely just copy. Now come back here. Now I just open this new tab. You just write echo. Then you just type here as a put it here as a base 64 as decode. So where we have seen this a address. So where we have a command. Okay. So now let me just come back. Now we would like to go for a privilege escalation profile here. Now where this is not get here, so you just type here as 5 minus PRM. You just type here as a 4000. Now just type exec. I would like to find a list minus air. Now we just need to close this. Then 2 is greater than dev or null. Now we would like to look here. Now where we can see here, one is available with a nice, another one is available with a ch root. So we would like to get a directly as a walk to a GTF bins. We would like to walk to as GTF bins. So let me just go here. Now what we just need to find as a nice. Now just come back here. So click on this a nice. You just click on the shell command. So nice a bin bash with a P. So that's it here. Now what we would like to enter here. So I would like to put here a simple command as a nice a bash P. So where I have got it here as B. Now just type here as who am I? We are in the root. Now just type here as cd who fox. Now just type plus minus l. Now just type here as cat a local dot txt where I have read the a local flag. Now just type here as cd home. Now just type plus minus l. Now just type cd pvp. Now just type plus minus l. That's it. There's nothing else. Now just type the cd a root plus minus l. Now just type cat a root.txt. That's it. Cat, oh sorry, a cat a proof.txt where we have identified this one also. That's it. So this is how you can get the root access of this machine. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.